I posted a video last night and I accidentally posted it unlisted instead of public. I apologize about that. If you'd like to watch it, the link is in the bio. What is going on, traders? Hope you guys crushed it today. We are back with another video. Before we get into today's video, tomorrow, for 48 hours, we are running a massive sale, guys, up to 50% off the monthly and the yearly subscriptions. Make sure you tune in tomorrow for tomorrow's video, guys. I'll be going over it in more detail, and the link will be in the bio then. Let's get into today's video. So, first things first, guys. Today was a very, very tricky day. I'm going to show you what I ended up doing today. Opening candle. This is the 5-minute time frame, guys. I ended up getting puts. Why did I get puts? This pre-market candle, we broke through 1, 2, 3. We broke through 3 key levels, right? So as soon as we came up, we went a little higher. I ended up alerting puts to the Discord live on live stream, guys, and we ended up selling the move. I was extremely green on this trade. Where did I go wrong? If you were part of the pre-market live stream this morning, guys, I was saying this was my buy area for 512.50. Ended up breaking down, so I ended up buying calls at 512.30, and then we had this massive move happen. So since I was green on the day, I ended up scaling back. My entry is usually 100 contracts. I ended up going 50. Okay, by the end of it, guys, right here, I ended up doubling down to 100, doubling it down to 200 contracts. As soon as we broke through the previous close, guys, I started a new strike, 510 calls. I had 200 contracts of that. So at the low of the day today, guys, I ended up having 400 contracts, 513 calls and 510 calls. This morning, I made a mistake. I was in such a rush. My brokerage was open, but it was at 513 by accident. I ended up getting into the wrong contracts. Long story short, guys, I ended up making almost $10,000 on this trade. When you are a day trader, it is very important for you guys to understand how options works and how to trade options. Anyone following lost a lot of money if you were trading futures or Apex accounts, guys. Even with one contract, you probably lost $5,000 to $1,000 on this move if you were to hold. Anything more, you blew up your account. Me, the way I size into positions, guys, with options, this is what me and Dimitri do for a living, guys. We size in and we add at the best levels possible. Today ended up being the gap close reversal. This is a strategy that we have been teaching for multiple years, guys. You know what I'm talking about. Where a stock previously closes at, the closing price of a stock. We gap up in the morning. We come back down to it. We're hitting calls, riding it up. We gap down. We come up to it. We're hitting puts for the gap close reversal. Today, the best level that I told small accounts and cash accounts was to buy in at the previous close. Where I originally bought in at was a phenomenal level to be buying. Very good level. If you watched last night's video, it was unlisted. If it's public, if you're not part of the Discord, it's public now. I was talking about 511.81. This was a great level. As soon as we broke through it, guys, I ended up adding to my position here. We came up, we made it resistance, and then we had a steep drop. The reason why I did not sell my calls is because we had previous close here, and I was going to play, regardless, the gap close reversal. So I ended up holding down. I started with 50 contracts, doubled down to 100 contracts, doubled down to 200 contracts, ended up getting 510 calls, 200 contracts. At the low of the day today, I had 400 contracts. If I would have held for 5 more minutes, it would have been a 6-figure day if I was to hold these trades. Obviously, I would have held it to the high day today, guys. It would have been a multi-6-figure day, but I'm programmed to sell the move, especially going deep red, buying at the best level possible, where I did, where my technical analysis told me to buy. The market makers, guys, sometimes they'll bring it a little bit past that level, right? This is why I size into positions and don't go full port right at the key level, right at my game plan. I give it some time. And today, it was very tricky because we had previous close down here, right? I was buying calls here and knowing I can go to previous close, so I couldn't sell my position because I knew we did not get a bounce after this. We would get it at previous close. So I had 2 strikes, guys, 510, 513, 200 contracts in each one, both for March 14th, 3 days out. I ended up making almost $10,000, guys, and I'm going to show you what I did wrong now, okay? I ended up shorting. Where did I short? I shorted 514, right? And I didn't sell this move. And then ended up getting stopped out because the reason why I didn't sell this move, because we broke through, if you're watching my screen, 512.85. These two key levels here. We ended up breaking through 511.81 without retesting, right? So I lost here. I ended up getting in again at this double top. Obviously, a loss again. So my almost $10,000 win ended up being $7,100 on the day. I'm still very thankful. I still made a lot of money. I'm very happy, but I gave away almost $3,000, guys, chasing a top. It was very bad to do that, guys. This was extremely bullish. This is a gap close reversal. I bought the gap close reversal. And then after a big move, I was instantly trying to short it. That's what I did wrong, guys. Okay, so I gave up over $3,000 of profit on the day today, chasing something for the reason why I originally bought in at. I knew Dimitri was calling us out. We're going to new highs. He was in with me, guys, and he didn't take these trades. It was just me. I thought it was an overreaction play. We broke through the VWAP, all the EMA lines, so I was chasing this. I chased it twice, guys. Lost $3,000 on that trade, but I'm still very, very green on the day, and I'm very, very satisfied with what I ended up making. So moving forward into tomorrow, guys, what I'm going to be watching at. The thing I don't like about this chart, even though it's extremely bullish, we broke through a crap load of key levels today without retesting. The first key level we didn't retest is 514, right? You see this green candle, we broke through it, we didn't retest it. Support, support, support. We came back. So 514 is going to be a massive key level to be watching. What I also don't like about the chart is 512.85. All you got to do is just see pre-market resistance, pre-market resistance. You could keep following this level, 512.85, previous resistance. Once we make it support, big upside, previous resistance, right? That's what I look at when I am trading. So we have 514, 512.85. We also have these two key levels here, 512.50 and 512.60. We did not retest. But the thing that's bugging me the most about this chart right now is 511.81. Add it to your chart. Yesterday's high, yesterday's previous resistance, Friday's support, right? What day? March 6th, resistance. We need to pay very close attention. SPY likes to fill gaps, and SPY likes to retest key levels that have not been retested, especially major ones. So add those to your chart, guys. I'm going to be live again tomorrow at, when am I going to be live? 9:10 Eastern time, 20 minutes before market open. Same thing as today, guys. Make sure you pay attention to that. Again, tomorrow, 50% off sale, guys. I will let you know about it tomorrow. The link will be in the bio tomorrow. We've been extremely successful lately, guys. I've made multi-six figures since December, and we want to give back. Like Dimitri and Gundy and myself and Options Doctor, guys, we've been very, very successful lately. It's our time to give back. We want to teach you guys how to trade. We want to teach you guys how to be successful. We do not want to spoon feed people. If you'd like to be a part of this Discord, you'd like to give us a shot, guys, wait until tomorrow. We're going to be offering a 50% sale, and the link will be in the bio. That is it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching these videos. Thank you so much for commenting. Thank you so much for liking them. I appreciate it, guys. I'm a small YouTuber. I understand that. But the growth we've been getting lately is, I'm lost for words. I'm very appreciative of every single one of you guys. So thank you so much for taking your time to do that. That's it, guys. I'm going to be live tomorrow on YouTube live, guys. I'm going to be going over the game plan for the rest of the day, guys. Thank you so much again, and I'll see everyone tomorrow. Take care, guys.